Good afternoon, Bears. Welcome back. I'm Fred.
And I'm Pablo, reporting from the BTV studio.
There will be a boys soccer pre-tryout meeting this Friday, October 5th, in the team room at 8:15 a.m. For more information, see Coach Brown in E217 and E205.
Teachers, thank you for notifying students during the second period about Bear time. When looking at the spreadsheet, all students should be listed in the tab at the bottom for each student's grade level. Please print them out and pass with the Bear time teacher and classroom number.
For those interested in bowling, the bowling team will be holding tryouts on October 6th from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m., October 7th from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m., and October 8th from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. The cost is $15 for 8 games. For more information, contact Ms. Blyer in C204.
Want to have some fun golfing? If so, the Golden Stars, the Starlets, and the golf team have teamed up to sponsor Golfing with the Stars on October 14th. For more information, see coaches Brock, Ryan, or Duncan.
Come out and support the theater department's action-packed fall show, She Kills Monsters, this week, October 4th through October 6th. This show will entertain everyone. Tickets can be purchased online or in the Black Box Room B107. Check the Brennan website for more information.
Varsity Lady Bears basketball players will sell bundt cakes for $20 until October 8th. They have 5 different and delicious flavors: lemon socket to me, banana nut, Dutch apple, and Mississippi mud.
Once more, let's congratulate our Varsity Bears football team as they beat the Brandeis Broncos 27-20 at Ferris Stadium Friday night. The Express News ranks our Bears 8th while Broncos hold the 6th spot. Here are a few highlights.
Go, Dario! Good play. Good play.
Max opposite.
Hey, on punt defense, who lines up with left tight end? Okay. All right, listen to me. Come here.
Burning possession. Second and 7.
This green with 94? Look. Yeah, I seen it. I watched it. I got you. Right here.
Get him, McGarity! Get him, McGarity!
The United States Air Force.
And also, congratulate our Lady Bears varsity volleyball team as they won all 3 matches against the J Mustangs last week. Let's support our Lady Bears tonight at 7 p.m. against the Taft Raiders today at Paul Taylor Gym.
Today after school, students will be holding a meeting in Miss Epstein's room E230 at 4:15 p.m.
Students' voice and choice is driving force in the culture of the library. So Bears, if you want to study, read, do research, work on assignments, or simply need a quiet place during lunch, Librarian Harry Osland invites you to visit the Brennan Library. He and his library crew have done a great job in redesigning the library's new look.
Well, this is all we have for today. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears.
We also have a link on the Brennan website. Have a great day, Bears.
BTV, 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 BTV.